Use these tips for successful stock market investing. Are you interested in investing, but don't know where to start? Does the idea of risking your money scare you? Continue watching this video and you will find some easy ways to ensure that the money you invest is put to its best use, which is a great way to make you the profits you desire. Like a lot of things in life, there is a risk involved with investing in the stock market. However, if you first invest your time in educating yourself about stock investments, you can minimize that risk. The first step in minimizing risks is to acknowledge that risks are involved. With education and research, it is possible to realize an annual return of 10 to 15% on your investment with very minimal risk. If you own shares in a company, you have the chance to vote for a company's board of directors. Depending on the company charter, you might get voting ability when it comes down to electing board members or directors. Voting can be done at the yearly shareholders meeting or by proxy voting through the mail. When picking stocks, find a strategy you enjoy and stick with it. For instance, you may choose to ignore the market's behavior for the most part and focus only on a company's earnings potential. Once you settle on a personal set of rules, you can seek out prominent investors or financial gurus who share your philosophy, and you can learn from them. Avoid timing the markets. Historically, investors who leave their money in the market for a long time achieve the best results. Determine the specific percentage of your money that you are able to invest. Then, set up a regular investment schedule, and stick with it. To increase your profits in the stock market, create a sensible plan and avoid picking your stocks emotionally. The benefit of developing a strategy that you can use to guide your stock choices will make it less like that you will make an emotional buy. Acting on a hot tip without doing research is a dangerous way to invest. The information in this video is just a starting point, so put these tips to use and continue to learn as much as you can as you build your investing strategy. While profits will continue to grow for you, staying on top of the latest knowledge and strategy for investing will help you succeed. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.